Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix the location guard Chrome extension is not available. In this case you have to go and type here in the search in the Windows um, search bar and look for Regedit. Okay, Regedit, a right click and then run as administrator. Click on yes, okay, and now we we have to go, let's see, we can paste this location here, uh, okay, and after that, let's see, okay, I don't have Google here, okay, so we can create it, okay, click on, right click, okay, click on new, and click, and key, and add Google. And inside of Google, right click again, new key, and add Chrome. And after adding Chrome, right click again, click on new, and click on the word 32-bit value. And here, um, the value will be, let's see, this. Okay, modify. Okay, let's see. No, let me delete it. Okay, let me add it again. Okay, this is gonna be the value, and double click on that and put 2 as the value. Okay, and click and OK. And now, as you can see, we finally have the location guard available. So I hope that you like this video, guys. Please leave me your like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you next video.